Mehboob Girgamvi Sahab, 1939 to 2014, a life of integrity and service. Mehboob Girgamvi Sahab, affectionately known as NG Sahab, was born on 1st June 1939 in Kolhar, Bijapur district, Karnataka, India. The third son of Dastagir Sahab, NG Sahab came from a poor family but was the only one among his siblings to receive a basic education, earning him the nickname Sal Baba, school boy. His family resided in the Gyak, a term used for the police station during British rule and later adopted as the colloquial name for his family's residence. According to close friend Ali Sahab Karajgi, NG Sahab's life exemplified integrity, hard work, and deep faith. He was known for his reliability and adherence to principles. From a young age, he was actively involved in household chores and possessed a balanced temperament. He was a straightforward man of his word. NG Sahab played a significant role in constructing two masjids in Kolhar, the Mehboobiya Masjid, which became a central hub for Dawat-o-Tabligh in the Taluk, and another mosque in the UKP highway area. He was known for his simple and decent attire, reflecting his preference for simplicity in all aspects of life. In 1967, he married and had 10 children. He was deeply committed to their upbringing and ensured they received a good education and strong values. His influence shaped the character of his generation, leading to success in various fields. Today, his sons have established many masjids, madrasas, stone crushing factories, dairy and cattle farms, NGOs, and our NG Public School. Towards the end of his life, NG Sahab planned to go on Hajj and had even obtained a visa. However, he passed away on 15th April 2014. His funeral prayer, Namaz-e-Janaza, was attended by thousands. Sanaullah Inamdar, the assistant of Gyak management, recounted that he was reciting Surah Yasin near NG Sahab when he passed away peacefully.